Nigeria Student Loan Disbursement. What you need to know. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Discovery Learning Hub. Today we're diving into a very important development for students across Nigeria. The recent student loan disbursement from Nigerian Education Loan Fund, NELFund, and what it means for you. 1. What's the story? Recently, the Nigerian Education Loan Fund, NELFund, announced that it has disbursed 116.4 billion Nigerian nairas in student loans to over 624,000 beneficiaries. This is a major milestone in the efforts of the federal government to make higher education more accessible. In other words, if you are a Nigerian student pursuing tertiary education, there is now sizable financial support being made available through this initiative. 2. Who qualifies/where is this coming from? The fund behind this is NELFund, established to provide student loans under the Student Loans, Access to Higher Education Act. The beneficiaries include students in tertiary institutions who meet the criteria set out by NELFund. For example, enrolled in approved institutions, meeting eligibility standards, etc. If you're wondering whether you qualify, you should check if your institution is recognized and whether you've applied via the official portal. This is especially important as NELFund emphasizes accurate student data and institutional collaboration. 3. What does 116.4 billion Nigerian nairas mean in practice? Let's break this down. 116.4 billion Nigerian nairas spread across over 624,000 students means that on average each beneficiary would get roughly 186,000 Nigerian nairas, though actual amounts may vary depending on institution, course, year. 116.4 billion Nigerian nairas divided by 624,000 is almost 186,538 Nigerian nairas each. Of course, the actual allocation may differ per student depending on need, institution, year of study and other factors. But the average gives you an idea of the scale. 4. Why is this important? It signals the government's commitment to bridging funding gaps in higher education. It could reduce the financial pressure on students and families, allowing more students to enroll and persist in their studies. It may improve institutional enrollment, retention, and graduation rates, thereby building human capital for Nigeria's future. For you as a student, this could be the difference between dropping out or continuing your course, between working part-time to pay fees or focusing fully on your academics. 5. What you need to do if you're a student. Here are some key steps. Check your institution's eligibility. Verify that it is approved by NELFund. Register on the Student Loan Access System portal and ensure your data is complete and correct. Apply when the portal opens for your academic session. Submit required documents, enrollment proof, institution details, etc. Stay informed about disbursement timelines and repayment terms. Tip: make sure you keep your contact information updated, follow your institution's announcements, and don't wait till the last minute to apply. 6. Challenges and things to watch out for. While this is positive news, there are some areas to keep an eye on. Will every eligible student get access, or will there be bottlenecks? How timely will the disbursements be? Delays could affect academic progression. What are the repayment terms? Student loan programs sometimes require future repayment or service obligations. Institutional cooperation is key. Inaccurate records or incomplete data may delay or exclude students. So as a student, you'll want to ask, what happens after I receive the loan? What's expected of me? Make sure you have the full details. 7. Conclusion. In summary, the announcement from NELFund of 116.4 billion Nigerian nairas in disbursed student loans to over 624,000 beneficiaries is a significant step for Nigerian education. It holds hope for many students, but success depends on good information, timely action, and institutional support. If you're a student or know someone who is, now is the time to check your eligibility, get your documents in order, and apply. Thanks for watching this episode of Discovery Learning Hub. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you'll be notified when we post our next video. Also, leave a comment below. Are you planning to apply for the student loan program? Let us know your thoughts or questions. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and stay informed. This is Discovery Learning Hub. See you soon. Thanks for watching.